Let us discuss this example. In this example, we have a function e raised to minus 4t hyperbolic sin t. We have to find its Laplace transform. So there is a product of three different functions and we have to find its Laplace transform. We know that when exponential function is there, we go for first shifting theorem. Okay, but see, before that we have to think about these two functions, hyperbolic sin t and sin t. So when you have both trigonometric function, that in that case we use the formula of 2 sin a sin b, 2 sin cos a sin b, like that. But see, out of these two, one is trigonometric function and the second is hyperbolic function. That means we cannot use the previous method here, getting? So we have to use some different techniques. Let us start to think about it. What will I do? I will write the given function first. So we have e raised to minus 4t hyperbolic sin t. Okay, normally we start with this function, that means product of these two functions. But see, hyperbolic sin t is there, so we cannot do it directly. What will I do? I will express hyperbolic sin t in exponential form. Do you know how to express it? It's very easy. Let me write here e raised to minus 4t hyperbolic sin t. This is equal to e raised to t minus e raised to minus t divided by 2 sin t. So what I have done, I have expressed hyperbolic sin t in exponential form. After that, I will simply take product of these two functions. That means let us multiply each term of this bracket by e raised to minus 4t. E raised to minus 4t into e raised to t, it will be e raised to minus 3t minus e raised to minus 4t into e raised to minus t. This is e raised to minus 5t divided by 2 into sin t. So now easily we can solve the problem. Getting? So that means here we have to take their product, as well as if exponential functions are there, what we have to do? We have to go for first shifting theorem. So easily we can solve it. So let us focus on this function first. Let us find its Laplace. Now, Laplace of sin t. So it's very obvious. Many times we have used that formula. Laplace of sin at is a upon s square plus a square. So Laplace of sin t is 1 upon s square plus 1. So we know its Laplace. So we found out its Laplace transform. Now we have to consider the entire function. Okay, let me write it here. Then Laplace of, I will write all steps, e raised to minus 4t hyperbolic sin t. So we are going to find its Laplace, right? But this function we have already expressed in this way. So let us write its value. So this is equal to Laplace of e raised to minus 3t minus e raised to minus 5t divided by 2 into sin t. See that 1 by 2 is a constant, we can take it outside. Let me do that. So 1 by 2 constant outside. So Laplace of, let us take product, e raised to minus 3t sin t minus e raised to minus 5t sin t, right? So in this way we have expressed. As well as minus sign is there, we can take separate Laplace. Let us do that. So 1 by 2 Laplace of e raised to minus 3t sin t minus Laplace of e raised to minus 5t sin t. So now the question is how to find their Laplace. It's very easy. Its exponential function is there. That means we have to go for first shifting theorem. Sin t, already we have its Laplace, right? And what is a multiple of it? E raised to minus 3t. That means we have to replace s by s plus 3, since minus 3 is there. Okay, so let me do that. This is equal to 1 by 2. I am going to replace s by s plus 3. 1 upon s plus 3 square plus 1. Yes, we got its Laplace. Okay, let us go for second term. Laplace of e raised to minus 5t sin t. Exponential function is there. That means again first shifting theorem. E raised to minus 5t. That means we have to replace s by s plus 5, since minus 5 is there. So what is Laplace of sin t? 1 upon s square plus 1. I am going to replace s by s plus 5. So it will be 1 upon s plus 5 square plus 1. You can further simplify. So this is, you can expand the bracket, s square plus 6s. 3 square is 9 plus 1, 10 minus 1 upon s square plus 10s. 5 square 25 plus 1, 26. You can further simplify by cross multiplying, but you can consider this one is also final answer. Make a screenshot of it, then we will stop. Thank you. Bye bye.